There are villages where, when winter arrives, the world transforms into a fairy tale. Join me as we fly over the most beautiful villages in the world, captured by a drone in the heart of winter. First, Hallstatt, the jewel of Austria. Wooden houses line the shore of Hallstatter Lake, surrounded by snow-covered mountains. From above, the village unfolds like a winter painting come to life. Next, Shirakawa-go in Japan, famous for its steep thatched roof houses called Gashozukuri. In winter, snow blankets the rooftops while golden lights glow warmly inside. It feels like stepping into a Japanese fairy tale. Zermatt in Switzerland carries a majestic charm. Nestled at the foot of the Matterhorn, one of the Alps' most iconic peaks, this village offers breathtaking views of endless snowy mountains, dotted with cozy wooden chalets. High in the Arctic Circle lies Rena, a small fishing village in Norway. Towering peaks rise straight from the sea while turquoise waters meet pure white snow. From above, Rena shines like a precious gem in the polar night. Finally, Český Krumlov in the Czech Republic. Its red rooftops, dusted with snow, winding river and medieval charm make the village look like a romantic winter postcard, frozen beautifully in time. Each of these villages carries its own unique magic, but all of them make winter unforgettable. If you could spend one winter in any of these villages, which one would you choose?